5 high income skills that you don't want to joke with in 2023. Hello amazing people, and welcome once again to the official YouTube channel of I Say You Value the Consult. My name is Anthony, and in this video I'll be talking about 5 high income skills that you don't want to joke with in 2023. I'm talking about these skills can pull in massive credit alert into your phone, massive money. I'm talking about big money, huge amount of money into your bank account. I know what I'm saying because I've cashed out many times on these different 5 high income skills I want to talk to you about. And I'm sure that if you will spend your time, and more importantly spend your money in acquiring and mastering these skills, you are ready to say bye-bye to shakpa or poverty as they call it. Now, the first high income skill that I don't want to joke with in 2023 is graphics designing. Graphics designing, what does it mean? It has to do with you being able to design carousels, being able to design logos, flyers, and all of the different things that has to do with graphics. Go to Instagram. Bulk of the posts that you will see here and there are posts that has to do with either a carousel or a particular flyer or just a normal simple graphics design. And if you don't understand what it takes for you to design all of these different graphics, then you are on a long thing. There are a lot of businesses nowadays that are looking for professional graphics designer that they can actually pay to be able to design top-notch logo or flyer for their brand. Even many times when you go on Facebook and you see a particular Facebook ad, you see a flyer here and there, it is the touch of a graphics designer that makes the difference. There are a lot of platforms online that are willing to pay you, like Upwork or Fiverr, that are willing to pay you for that particular service. And an average graphics designer can earn nothing less than 5,000 to 10,000. So just design just a flyer. Although it depends. I know a particular person that charges nothing less than 50,000 to design a top-notch logo. Now think about that. Imagine if you are a badass graphic designer and you showcase yourself, and a lot of people see that you are an authority when it comes to designing graphics. Guess the amount of money that you make. So you don't want to joke with that. Now the second high income skill that you don't want to joke with is video editing. Now after graphics designing, the next thing is video editing. Again, go to Instagram. You see a whole lot of videos. Being able to design Instagram reels, being able to design attention grabbing videos. Go to TikTok. You see a whole lot of editing experts being able to put their videos out right there and then get massive views and virality for their brand. And even on YouTube, you being able to put a video on YouTube needs some editing here and there. You don't just design, you don't just it's not about you just shooting a video and just posting here and there. You need to put some effects, you need to put some things there that will make it stand out and want people to actually watch it. What about running ads? In fact, many of the ads that I've many times in my experience that have actually pulled in a great amount of sales for me and even for my client are ad that has videos as their ad creative. So imagine if you are able to design and if you are able to edit videos like a pro or like a professional, and there are a whole lot of tools available online that can actually help you to design as in to edit videos like a pro, and it doesn't cost you anything. All it does have to cost you is just a little token and then your time. So imagine if you are able to acquire that skill, you are on your way to financial freedom. And then the third high income skill you don't want to joke with is copywriting. Copywriting, simply put, is being able to put words that sell. That is just what copywriting is all about. Copywriting is salesman in print. So you go online and then you see a particular ad and then you see an hard copy. That's when I'm talking about an hard copy, I mean a text that is weaved together in words where somebody is telling you to come and buy one thing or the other. And then by the time you are through reading that hard copy, or probably you click on the website and then you see the ad, you see the sales copy on that website, and then you are already mesmerized and you want to just swipe your card and then pay. That is copywriting at work. Copywriting simply means you knowing what words to say and how to say it in a way that your audience or the person that you are selling to will be willing to buy from you. And there are a whole lot of business that struggle with sales online. People complain here and there. In fact, the last time when I did an Ask Me Anything session, most of the questions that people asked me were, how can I double my sale? How can I increase my sale? How can I make a customer to buy? How can I, How can I just get massive sales on my business? And the answer lies in copywriting. The answer lies in you understanding human psychology and why humans buy. That's in the psychology of selling. And what copywriting delves into is being able to understand human psychology and why people buy, and then using that knowledge to write, and you make massive amount of money. Again, when you go to Fiverr, when you go to Upwork, there are a whole lot of businesses that are looking for professional copywriters, people that can weave words together in form of emails, or in form of in form of ad copies, or in form of sales copy, and just help them in selling massively their product. So copywriters are also highly wanted and highly needed, and you cannot be loaded and not be needed. So the third high income skill that you don't want to joke with in 2023 is sales page. You being able to design a website, because the third matter is another thing that is important right now in this present age that we are in, is you being able to design a website that people come there and then just swipe in their card. I mean, you just put a video on a website, you are doing something else with your life. Maybe you are having a good time with your family, and then you have a website somewhere where you have put your product, and then it is selling even while you are sleeping. All you are just seeing you are just getting credit alerts, email messages. You are just getting credit alert email messages because you have been able to design a sales page in a professional way, or you design it for a client, and then that sales page is there selling the business while you are having a good time with your family. So website creation, website designing is another skill that you don't want to joke with. And then the fifth skill that you need to master in order to earn massively is the world of advertising. And when I'm talking about the world of advertising, I mean Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, Twitter advertising, LinkedIn advertising, Google advertising. There are a whole lot of different advertising platforms, but you can start with Facebook and Instagram advertising because those ones are very easy to operate. And once you understand Facebook and Instagram advertising, you can run any form of ad, because every other form of advertising just models the way Facebook and Instagram advertising have. So you've been able to run targeted ads to your audience and pull in a whole lot of massive sales is a skill, or let me say a service, that is greatly and massively needed. And most business owners will be willing and ready to pay massive amount of money to just get an expert Facebook advertiser or an expert paid advertiser that can just run out for their business, and they being able to pull in massive leads that will eventually convert to sales. So these are the 5 high income skills that you don't want to joke with. And if you pay attention to these 5 high income skills, I'm telling you, no more again will you complain of the red signal in your bank account. You will just be smiling anytime you enter bank, because you have massive amount of money sitting in your bank account. And then with that, you can say bye-bye to Shakpa forever, and you can say bye-bye to poverty. So I'm sure you have gotten massive value once again in this video. So make sure you subscribe and then click on the notification bell to get our videos whenever it is uploaded. And then if you like this video, why not give me that thumbs up, like, and then also drop your comment in the comment section. Let's get talking, let's get interacting, and let me know what you have actually learned from this video. Till I see you again in my next video. Cheers.